boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Lawrence Spencer Smith. That part, that's the song here. So we're gonna work with different techniques here, a little short strumming pattern here, combined with some picking, and that's great. We start with a capo set here on the 5th fret to have the easiest chords possible, and to get the high notes as well. So let's start this one up and look at the chords. So first we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the CB. So that is like this, or we can call it the GB as well. And that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the F major 7 here. We're gonna go with this shorter version here. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. All right. We also have this combined thing here. It will be the A minor, but with G in the bass. So what I do here, I'm going to show how to handle it later, but I just have one finger here on my 3rd fret E string and one on my 1st fret B string. All right. So that's how I do it. Now we are ready for the song, and the chord progression here, you can say, goes in the same way pretty much for the verse as in the chorus. So we're gonna look at that, but we have different techniques there. So the verse play here will be picking pattern. So we're gonna start with this C. All right. And yeah, that's how you handle it. You're gonna play alternating the 3rd fret A string with the 1st fret B string. So 3rd A and 1st B. For 6 times. And then you do this CB version here. And we can let that GB go for now and just go over to this grip here. So just make this transition here from the 3rd fret A string to the 2nd fret A string and keep the 1st fret B string there. All right. And you do 2 times of these 2 notes, starting with the 2nd A for 2 rounds. Then we go over to the A minor. Now you're alternating the open A with the 1st fret B, so the 1st B is still staying there. You do that for 6 rounds, so that's 1 round, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll come to this A minor G. It was this grip here. That's the 3rd fret E string, like I said, and still the 1st fret B string. So 3rd E and 1st B for 2 times. And then you go to the F for 8 times. Now that is the 3rd fret D string. And you use the 1st fret B string still. So 8 rounds of that combo. And then you have finally the G. 8 times of that, and you alternate now the 3rd fret E string with the open B for 8 times. So that is how you handle a verse. Slowly, C, 6, then the CB2 and A minor, 6, then the A minor G2, then F, 8, and G8. There are slight variations here in the verses. Sometimes the the bridge chords comes in earlier, and they're sometimes just skipped as well. And the bridge chords, with that I mean the C, B, and the A minor G. These are typical bridge chords that goes over into another chord. They're sometimes skipped and like that, but stick to this one and you can handle all the verses in a great way. So that's how I play them. Now, if we go over to the chorus immediately and wait with the pre-chorus, because that's a little bit different playing here. The chorus, remember, I had the same chord progression there, so nothing changes, just the way of how you handle the chords. So if we go back to the chorus now, and it's starting here with the C, since that is the first chord, in the same way as the verse. Now, instead of pick here, bass and top notes, you use a strumming pattern that is down up. And you use the same amount of times for each and every chord. So C6, down up, that's one round. So 6 times is 1. 6 times there. Then the C, B, then A minor, 6 times, and then the A minor G, 2 times, and then the F, 8 times, and the G, 8 times. So just follow the same amount of times we used for the picking pattern here. You apply that with the strumming down up instead. So one full round will be C6, C, B, 2, A minor 6, A minor G2, F8, and G8. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so that is pretty much the entire song. Besides from the verse and chorus, we have something that comes in the middle there, the pre-chorus, of course, in the lyrics, and I wanna take your name. And that's how it continues there. You have 1 down per chord there, and the chord progression will be A minor, G, and F. And the pause after F, and then you do that for another second round. A minor, G, and F. Pause, and then comes the chorus. So there you have the different parts for the song, that part. And yeah, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus in the same way through the entire song. And that pretty much covers Lawrence Spencer Smith's song here. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support, and until next time, play tuned.